Like the recent geomagnetic event that we had, it was December probably 29th or something into the January 1 too. It was the largest geomagnetic storm. And I mean, obviously, we're at the 11-year top of the sun cycle. And the auroras here on Earth was amazing. Like, I'm just imagining those that are on the International Space Station, what that looked like as like a major once in, 11 year cycle, massive amount of geomagnetic activity and particles and what that would look like for them. That's so interesting.
Yeah, the interesting thing about that, the cycles are really just sunspot cycles, right? Now, the
Hmm.
coronal mass ejections have sort of a subordinate relationship to that, and that
Hmm.
generally you get more coronal mass ejections and flares is what you normally hear being from the sun during those periods, but not always, right? So they can occur at any time. Why is that important? Well, once we leave the magnetic field of the Earth, we're no longer protected from all that radiation. So going to the moon, for example, we're going to have to think about that. We're going to have to do things a little bit differently. There's going to have to be a safe harbor, if you will, on the moon before the crews get there, in my
Hmm.
opinion, because you can't tell when these events are going to take place. You can tell people they've happened and expect some really nice auroral displays here in California and Colorado in about 3 days. But if you're in space outside the magnetic field lines, that's a
You got to
whole
protect yourself.
mass of bullets heading at you
Yeah.
that they could be literally, they could be fatal, right? If they hit you with
Wow.
enough energy and enough density. And it's hard to judge by.